Today, I'm going to show you how to create complete AI movies from scratch.
Today you die, beast!
If you don't know this, a lot of creators are making a whole lot of money from creating AI movies, and AI movies are going to play a huge role in the film industry in the future. Now, I'm going to show you how to create AI movies completely from scratch using a free AI tool or two free AI tools. Now, if you want to create an AI movie, all you have to do is first you have your story or your storyline or your script. Now, if you don't have a storyline or a script, it is super easy. All you have to do is go over to something like Gemini or ChatGPT and then ask it to generate a story for you or a script for you. That's is pretty basic. You probably know this part already. So once Gemini generates the um, storyline for you, you can ask it to convert it into a script or dialogue if they're going to be dialogue, or if you're going to be using a storyline or a narration kind of video or movie, then that's fine. So once the Gemini does that for you, all you have to do is use 11 Labs or Google AI Studio to generate the audio for your movie, and then the visual is the most important part when it comes to your AI movie. And the easiest way for you to start creating AI movies is for you to start using something like Nano Banana from Google, and also VO3 or Coin 3, which you can be using for free. Now, most of the best image and video generators are actually not free, but there are ways that you can use them for completely free. And today I'm going to show you the easiest ways that you can use these tools for free. Now, for example, today I'm going to be talking about VO3. In my previous video, I talked about how you can use Coin. Now, a lot of people said, yes, Coin takes a little bit of time to generate a single video, and for people who are trying to generate AI movies, it take a whole long lot of time for you to generate a complete movie. But the good side of using Coin is that there's no watermark and the video quality is very good, mostly HD. Now, with VO3, the video quality is actually good, but there's a huge watermark, but you can actually crop that. Now, I'm talking too much. Let me just walk you through how you can get access to these tools. Now, the easiest way for you to generate the movie is once you have your script, all you have to do is to plug it into something like Gemini. Now, there are two ways you can use Nano Banana inside of Gemini, or in Flow or Whisk. Now, I prefer to use Nano Banana inside of Gemini, the Gemini chatbot, because it gives me a kind of control, and it understands. It has a memory of what I want, so I can prompt a whole lot and to still remember a little bit. But if you're using it in the Flow app, you might have to be redirecting it to your reference image. That might not make sense to you, but let me just explain now. So once I have my script, I come over to Gemini here inside the Gemini chatbot, or using Flow here. Then I'll ask Gemini to generate the different scenes for my AI movie from the script. Now, Gemini will generate an image for you. Now, you want to use that image as your character reference. Now, you can ask Gemini to generate the character reference sheets. Now, I uploaded this image here, and I want you to create a front view of the warrior in this image. I want to have the entire look of the warrior, so I can create more images of the warrior in grid. So now it gave me this grid of the warrior. This is the full image of the warrior. This is the face. This is the side view and an angle view. Now, this is what you need to create consistent characters. Now, once you've generated this, now all you have to do is to ask Gemini to put the character in different scenes. If you have multiple characters, you do the same thing for your multiple characters. Now, Gemini is going to put the character in any Nano Banana is going to put the character in any scene. It works the same way if you're using Flow. I'll explain Flow later. Now, once you've generated all of your images, you can see here I have all the images of my character fighting this dinosaur. You can see here, these are all the images I generated right here in with Nano Banana in the Gemini chatbot. You can do the same thing with Flow. All you have to do is come over to labs.google/fx/tool/flow. I'll leave all the links in the description. Once you're in Flow, all you have to do is click here, new project. Once you opens up a new project, all you have to do, if you want a video, you can switch between video and image. So if I click here, you can see it will ask me image or video. Here is a video. I can choose between the aspect ratio, the type of number of generations I want. You only get 2 generations per day per account. on if you're using VO3 right here on Flow. But the good thing is that you can log out of this account and log in with another Gmail, and then you can get 2 extra generations. So if you have multiple Gmails, you are going to get a whole lot of generation. Now for the image part, you can come here to the image, and then you upload your image of your character. Once you upload the image of your character like this, I'll just upload the image of my character like this. Click on upload. It will start uploading here, and then it's right here in the prompt. So I can just type in whatever I want the character to look like, or whatever where the scene I want the character to be in. Once the image is downloading, and then I click on generate, and it generates the character in that scene for me. Or if it's not selected, all I have to do is come here and click on those 3 icons here, and I'll click on add to prompt. So when I click on add to prompt, this works the exact same way for your smartphone, tablets, and your computer. So if you can do this, you can do this exactly like this on any device. So you type in your prompt, whatever you want. So that's the basic way for you to generate consistent images of your character in different scenes for your movies. Now to generate the video, still the same workflow. You upload the image, and then you come here and click on animate. Now you can see here, these are some of the videos that I've actually generated right here. All you have to do is, once you click on animate like this, it will add the image to your prompt here, and you type in whatever you want to happen in the scene. Once you type it, you click on generate. Here I've used all my generations. So these are some of the generations that I got from this video. Super easy. That's the way you create your AI movies. You're just going to be doing this for all of your scenes. This is another one.
Feel the wrath of the steel from Al-Kebulan.
Yeah, so that's the super easy way for you to start creating your AI movies completely from scratch. No fluff. Now you can use all of this for free. Now a lot of gurus are out there talking about how you can use some new AI tools that are completely free, but most times I've tested most of the tools. They are not free. They'll ask you to pay, or they will take years to generate a single video. So that's about it. You can also use Coin, but today the server for Coin is down. So I advise you just use Flow, right? VO3 here and Flow. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.